remember that you don't like chicken that tastes like chicken. And listen, I get it. I don't like the chicken taste either. So today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious lemony taste, perfect for the summer, but really you can do it any time of the year, chicken that is gonna be on your pan. It's so easy to make. And actually I have my very special guest here today, Andrea, to help us with the recipe. So let's get started. The first thing that I did was to prep the chicken. That means I took away all the little things that I didn't like when I took the chicken out of the bag, and I just separated it into 2 containers. One of them is going to be for the chicken that we're gonna make on the pan, and then the other one we're going to put in the Instant Pot to make chicken broth. So the second thing that we are going to do, my friends, is to make that chicken very thin. We're gonna pound the taste of chicken out of it. Are you ready, Andrea? Let's do it. Whoa, that was strong. I don't have anything fancy to pound the meat, but I will be using
ice cream.
Exactly, the ice cream scoop. There you go, Andrea. I know I have a plastic cutting board, but I will change it to wood soon. That's right. And then get this to the thickness that you like. I like them very, very, very thin. The next thing that we're gonna do is put it back in the container, and we are going to season it. If you are using your gloves, don't throw the glove out just yet. We are going to be using some sea salt, pepper, smoked paprika. What else we got? Some lemon zest, and of course some delicious olive oil, or if you have avocado oil, you can also use that too. What's really going to remove the taste of that chicken, it is the lemon zest. Remember, the key to this flavoring of the chicken is going to be the lemon zest. Do not put in lemon juice and then put it in the fridge, especially for an overnight marinade, because the acidity of the lemon is going to pseudo cook the chicken, and it's gonna make it like hard and stringy, and it's not gonna be a good chicken for y'all. However, if you do the lemon zest, it is safe to leave it as an overnight marinade. I've done that before and it tastes amazing. And another plus of using the lemon zest is that it gives it not only an enhanced flavor, but an enhanced texture, right? Because it's gonna make it like a little bit more crunchy. Our final ingredient, Andrea, which is our olive oil. All right, go ahead and pour some in there. I'm very generous with the amount of olive oil that we're gonna put in here. In this house, we are not afraid of the oils. The non-inflammatory oils anyway. Then go ahead and massage all of those condiments in. Make sure that you get every corner and crack of that chicken. And now that you have put all of the condiments, you've massaged the chicken, what you want to do is put it in the fridge. Again, you can leave this overnight, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and then we are going to put it on the pan. I set my pan on medium high and added some ghee for a nice buttery flavor. Ghee is great for this because it's not only an anti-inflammatory oil, but it can actually withstand high temperatures. So I leave it on for about 4 minutes on the first side. Then I go ahead and lower the heat, cover it, and cook for another 4 minutes. Look how delicious, juicy, and crispy this chicken looks. Let me give you a closer look on the next shot. Look at this delicious chicken. Oh my goodness. My little chef ran away because that's how toddlers are. But I will give you a taste test right here, right now. It is so good. Okay, moment of truth. Andrea. What do you think? Listen, this chicken will get you back into the spirit of summer, of eating protein, and just feeling absolutely amazing. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments if you made this chicken and how does it taste. I am so excited for you guys to try it, for your family to try it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.